How to send blank message on Instagram. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So to send blank message on Instagram, you can't send by simply clicking on the backspace button and then you can send the message. There is no such way, so you have to simply first way is you have to simply go to your browser, Google Chrome browser, and then search for the blank Unicode, and it works on both Android and iOS. So you have to search for the blank Unicode, and then you have to click on this second website, emptycharacter.com. And when you are here, you have to scroll down, and here you have to scroll down, and then here you can see in the method to copy manually, this tab, you have to long hold this box, and then here you can see the option copy. So you have to click on the copy button, and then what you can do is you can simply go to your Instagram app, and then you can simply click on your here you can see the chat option, chat bar, and then you can simply click on any of the chats, and then to send the chats, to send the blank message on the chat, you have to simply click on this chat, and here you have to simply long hold this box, chat box, and then click on the paste button. And after clicking on the paste button, you can click on the send button, and here you can see this this is the blank message. So that's basically it, that how you can send blank message on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.